So, first of all, forgive my English. You know that I speak Spanish. So I'm trying my best to produce content in English. So the first thing we're gonna do to take off the bumper is taking those clips that I'm showing you here right now. Those two on the front of the car and these two right here on the fender. And as you can see here, you are going to have a bolt. So you are gonna unbolt that also. So after that, you are going to be under your car here, and as you can see, you need to take off this clip and this clip in each side of the bumper, under the bumper. So as you can see here, I'm gonna show you how to remove these pins, these clips, sorry. You need to unscrew the bolt, the clip. So after you unbolt the bolt, obviously, you want to take it off like this. So in this bolt right here, if you can get it off like I recently showed you, I'm gonna show you how to take this clip with this thing that I have right here, as you can see. But I don't know how to call this thing, but you will need one of these if you wanna do a clean work. And don't with this you are not going to break those old pins that are you taking off. So let's, right here I'm unbolting this screw right here. So as you can see, you are gonna need a 10mm socket for this, and also if you want to change your headlights, you can do it with this 10mm socket, as you can see right here how you need to do it. After you take it off, this screw, this bolt, you need to pull like this on your bumper, and this thing you're gonna do it on both sides of the car. It's the same thing for the other side. So after you take it off both of this sides like this, you are gonna need some pliers, so needle those pliers, and you are gonna take this clip that I'm showing you like this. So after you take all of the clips that I told you, we are going to take off these two clips that are right here with this tool. As you can see, I'm gonna show you also how to do it. So let's see how it's done. So I forgot to mention these two clips that I'm going to show you. Right here you are going to have one, and here you are going to have another one. So you need to take also those two clips off, and after all of this we are going to have two more bolts to take off. So you can see here, you only need to pull from under your fender, sorry, under your bumper, like that, like I'm showing you right here, to take off this part of the bumper. So you remember those two bolts that I mentioned? You can find it right here. You can see, you take this off, and as you can see, there is going to be a bolt. I already take it off, but I'm gonna show you in the other side how it's gonna be that bolt in there. And you need to take it off with an extension of your ratchet with that 10mm socket, so it's not going to be so difficult to take it off. You can see I'm gonna show you right here, this bolt over here. You can see that one right there. Next thing that you are going to do to take off your bumper is take it from here with your left hand and with your right hand right here, like I'm doing, and you only need to pull a little bit. Do not do it harder because you can break something. So as you can see, I already take it off. And then if you want to change your headlights, you are gonna unbolt these three bolts that I'm going to show you. This one, and this one, also with a 10mm socket. It's not big of a deal. And then after you unbolt all of this, you are going to pull on your headlight, but I'm gonna show you obviously how to do it. Just remember to disconnect all of your light bulb, so you can't break it, or you can do some damage to the wiring of the lamp. So to take off the lamp, you only need to pull from here. As you can see right there, it's moving the lamp, so you need to pull right there, obviously from outside of the car, not from the engine bay. And also it's gonna be clipped in here. I don't know, you can see this white piece on the top of the screen. So you only need to pull it like this, and you are going to pull this thing up, and there is, you take off your headlight. Also this is similar to the other side, to the driver side. So just to finish, you are going to bolt everything up the reverse way you unbolt everything and take off the bumper. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.